the first Alcatel phone with Android Go, the One X, will go on sale in the US next week for $100. Not only is it the first Alcatel device to run Google's optimized operating system for cheaper phones, it's also the only one running it in the United States today. Technically, ZTE beat Alcatel with the launch of an Android Go phone in March, but since then ZTE has been banned from buying US components and is basically inactive until the ban is lifted. And you will not be alone for long. The Nokia 2.1 starts with Android Go in July. The One X is not a particularly exciting phone, but that is often the case with Android Go devices. They are designed to be economical, but they work without problems. As far as it goes, the One X at least seems somewhat modern. While it has quite noticeable bevels, the phone's screen still has the high aspect ratio of 18:9 to which more and more phones are moving. It also comes with a fingerprint sensor on the back. It has 16 GB of storage, 1 GB of RAM, a MediaTek processor and a resolution of 480 x 964. Its 5-inch screen,